Third one, educate management about what you do and what your position is in the company. Now you might think, of course my boss in my company knows who I am, so why should I educate them about what I do? Ross McGowan, TV host, local TV host in the Bay Area, was having a negotiation about getting a raise. And he sits down with his boss to get the raise, and his boss hands over a piece of paper saying, this is the amount you get. And he looks at it and he's like, now it wasn't like shocked because he was happy about what he got. He was quite shocked how low the raise was. And the ratings are through the roof. He's like made so much money for the TV station that he's shocked with the amount that he got. And so he says to his boss, he goes, if my ratings are through the roof, why am I getting such a small raise? And his boss comes back and says, Ross, you make it look so easy. Now, we don't know what Ross had to do to make it look easy, but there's a lot of things you do in your job where you make it look too easy. And I don't mean you need to fail and do things wrong to make it look hard. What I'm saying is that maybe you can educate management and people around you about what did it take to get that accomplishment. See, management knows the end result of what it took to get the accomplishment done. But do they know what challenges had to be overcome to get that result? Do they know what people you had to engage and what you had to do and what difficulties were overcome? Sometimes it's important to share the whole story so management can understand and appreciate the end result and what you had to do to get to that end result.